All right, let's talk about the weekend weather for us. Couldn't have been any better. Today is nice, but we're still dealing with Irma.
We are. As Irma kind of works its way through parts of Florida, actually improving weather there. Some dry airs coming in, reducing the amount of rain, which is good. But our
and we see some of the damage left behind. We haven't seen
a lot.
Yeah,
down to Keys. We're trying to get some more information there. I know Marco Island was hit hard. Here's a live look over in the St. Pete area. And you can see here, things not looking too bad out in St. Petersburg there just outside the Tampa area, of course, for those familiar with the region. And yeah, not too bad. Little peaks of sunshine, mostly cloudy skies. Looking pretty good out there at the moment, but there's still quite a bit of rain kind of working the way mainly to the north here. Here's Gainesville, Florida. Again, roughly between, say, Tallahassee and Jacksonville. That's what the center of circulation is of Irma, what's left of the center. And I can see some heavy rain from Vidalia, Georgia, heading farther northward on in toward the Atlanta area as well, too, making some very heavy rain. And this could easily cause some flooding. Some of the local rivers down there, again, usually come up a lot quicker when they get some heavy downpours. And that could pick up 3 to 6 inches of rain or so across much of the state of Georgia. So if you're trying to go from New Orleans to Atlanta flying today, don't be surprised if there's some delays at Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport there, because we likely will see from the rain and even some wind. They're going to get some strong winds up there as well, too. Winds right now near the center, again, right between Tallahassee and Jacksonville, or about 70 miles east of Tallahassee, right along I-10. We're at 65 miles per hour as system moves off to the north-northwest at 17. Pressure up to 975 millibars. Forecast does have a go through Albany, Georgia, and then right near the Birmingham area south of Huntsville, right between the two cities there, and curving its way toward Jackson, Tennessee as we go forward over the next 24 hours or so. And 36 hours beyond, again weakening into a tropical depression, just a remnant low over western Tennessee. However, once it gets into parts of Alabama, even North Mississippi, to be close enough to have some clouds kind of wrapping around and coming all the way down here into New Orleans. So we may see clouds increasing over the next couple of days. What we're going to feel today, though, is the impact of the winds. The wind field not going to be great or really high today, but still 10 to 20 mile per hour winds with some higher gusts can't be ruled out. Right now, gusting to 23 up in the Slidell area, 20 over at Kenner at the airport, and you'll see the winds kind of picking up around near close to 20 miles per hour out of the north-northwest heading on into this afternoon, and at times still getting up to around 20 even near Lakefront Airport City area by 8:30 this evening. Winds die down a little bit, except for just here on the South Shore as we head into overnight into lunchtime on your Tuesday. We're also keeping an eye on Hurricane Jose, weakening right now to a Category 2, moving north at 9, and this one's going to have a very erratic kind of a loop-to-loop path it's going to make here, weakening to a Category 1, but notice here it goes from 80 mile per hour to 90 mile per hour winds as it goes just kind of northeast there of the Bahamas. This one, the forecast models are hinting at turning again and going pretty close to maybe the east coast of the United States about a week from now. So again, we're talking, it's going to sit here for days and spin around. Something we'll have to watch next week, not here in the Gulf of Mexico, but rather along the eastern seaboard. So the eastern seaboard needs to keep an eye on this one. Too early to say exactly what this is going to do or where it's going to go, assuming it survives this little loop-to-loop here. But nonetheless, though, keep an eye on that one. Fortunately, not too much else going on in the tropics. A few waves coming off of Africa. One little healthy one here, kind of sitting just off of the west of the Cape Verde Islands or Cabo Verde Islands. We'll keep an eye on that one. Right now, just a low chance of any kind of development with that as we move forward. So back here at home, we're looking at some nice weather. Look at our camera here, the World War II Museum, looking very nice. A lot of sunshine, 76 degrees. The big story has been the low humidity. Those dew points in the 50s this time of year. I'll take it. That is some awesome weather. It is a little breezy at times as well, too. North of the lake is warm as 79 degrees in Hammond. That's our hot spot with Baton Rouge and Houma area. And you'll see as we go hour by hour, we'll get into the lower 80s. Plenty of sunshine for the day today. Yeah, those north-northwest winds around 15 to 20 miles per hour. If you allergy sufferers out there, and that includes me, too, I can feel the ragweed pollen already kicking up. It's a little early to see this, but nonetheless, though, it is on the high side, so you may want to grab that allergy med as you head out the door. Other than that, though, we have the clear skies. There comes some of the clouds again as Irma works its way north here. Some of these clouds will work their way closer to us over the next couple of days, and you'll see on Precision Cast, it'll show that. A few clouds coming close this afternoon, heading on to tonight as well as into tomorrow as Irma's remnants kind of work its way northward here. By Tuesday afternoon, you can see there's Irma to the north, and the clouds continue to move on through here, spinning through maybe 1 or 2 showers. Can't rule them out, mostly south of Mississippi here, maybe the upper Florida parishes, but that's all we're looking as we head into your Wednesday. So plenty of sunshine today, just a few of those high clouds, kind of breezy and warm, highs around 83 degrees. And as we go on into tomorrow, a tad cooler because the clouds and the winds coming in. Back up to 85 on Wednesday. And then take a look at this here as we head toward the end of the week. Temperatures around 90 with more humid weather and a slightly better chance for rain.
All right, Dave, coming up next, all the flooding in Texas.